make the map. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add up insert part. I don't know what it is. There it is right here. Let me just move this, and I'm gonna say 0, 0, 200. Where is it? Okay, here, right here. As you can see, we made it. So one thing I'm gonna do is this is gonna be our start point. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna anchor it, and I'm gonna resize it to about 50, 10, 50. So this is supposed to be our, yeah, that's supposed to start point. And we're gonna name this start ground. I'm gonna name this start ground because why not? And let's go ahead and make the borders for this. Let's make the borders for this. And name it borders. And then I'm gonna grab all the parts, and I'm gonna set transparency and anchor it on. And for the start, I'm gonna duplicate it again, and I'm gonna name it spawn. So we only need one spawn because we want everyone to use this in a spawn. So we're gonna say 555, and then I'm gonna change the y-axis to 50. Oops, that's too big. Whoops, 10. There we go. We have 10. And anchor, can't collide off, and transparency. And there we go. Now you have made your start point. So I'm gonna grab everything and name this start point. Let's make our parts. So what I like to do is duplicate this and put it right here. Wait, it's right here. Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm just going to group it again and name this your map. Let's go and say Obby Map. So yeah, we're going to say Obby Map. And then I'm going to grab over here, and then I'm going to resize this to 1, and the z-axis 10. And yeah, that's 230, so well, okay, I'm gonna change like positioning like stuff, and bam, 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 bam. And I think this gap, no, I think we need this candy gap. So yeah, you get the points. Now you have to jump all the way. Eight jumps. Now let's go ahead and make the finish point. So what I like to do is I'm going to grab this start point, duplicate it, and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to name it finish ground. And I'm going to grab it all the way here, and there we go, you have right here. So this is the spawn, and this is the finish. And we're going to make the exit door, so we're going to say this. So I'm going to say a door. I'm going to say door parts. And I'm going to make a simple one. Just for a door. And I'm going to change the brick color to white and the material to neon. And there you go. That's how you make your door. And I'm going to name this finish. And I'm going to group them. And we're going to name it finish point. Alright. But for a quick start, we're going to put these in. We're going to put these in the outside because these are nothing matter. Done. Make sure everything is anchored and doing very good right now. I think this one's anchored. This one's anchored. And yeah, that's actually kind of it. Let's put it on the Obby map. Done with this, let's go ahead and go to the main and change up the settings and stuff. We're gonna change the deep TP players, and we're gonna say spawns.cframe, and we're going to remove the table.remove, and we go to the main. Alright, so we're gonna remove this. If clone colon find first child for the spawns, and then we're gonna remove the get children. So this is right. And once you're actually done, we're going to set their humanoid root part anchor to true. Alright, so we're going to change the add tag. So we're going to say if v.character, then, and I'm just gonna copy this part, local char, and this one is gonna be and this one's gonna be false. And last thing we need to do is we need to make the round main script. So yeah, we're going to say that you should remove the player 1, I guess. And we're gonna rename this check. So we need check. If it's time's up, break, yeah. And I think we need to change up a little bit. So, by the way, for the fact, I would do a little bit of update. Let's go ahead and use the game.workspace. So, for the updates, we're going to say yeah, we're gonna stop the music. And if your map has kill bricks, I recommend you do this. If your map has spawn kill bricks, I recommend you do this. We're gonna make a kill brick. Oh, whoops. We're gonna add a folder, and we're gonna name it kill bricks. And then if you place this, like if you do this, and you just do whatever you want, and if you set it red and make it neon, that's a kill brick. And then I'm gonna put it in the part, and that will update it for you. So yeah, that's why you want a kill brick. And you're going to need to put a module script. We're gonna name this map info. Map info. So we need to put map info. And what am I gonna say this? I'm gonna say dot kill bricks, and we're going to say this. We're gonna say I think we're gonna say I think bricks. We're gonna say bricks. For IV and pairs, and we'll say bricks new v.touch connect function. Oops. And we're gonna say hit. Alright, so we're gonna say this local player equals game dot players colon get player from character. I'm gonna say hit dot parent. If it's a player, then but if it's player colon find first child is it in game tag. If they have the tag, then we're gonna say this hits dot parent dot humanoid dot health equals 0. So we're going to instantly kill him. We're going to instantly kill him. So I think you should put this on me. And we're gonna say this. We're gonna say local. Oh wait. We're gonna say local map info equals require script.map info. Map info dot killbricks. And then I'm gonna say clone map dot kill bricks colon get children. I think. Yeah. And we're going to say this. We're gonna say yeah, that's actually for the kill bricks actually. And for this one we're going to say function module dot escape door, and it's gonna say for the door dot touch colon connect function, and we'll say hit, and we're gonna do the same thing, and also to do the same thing for this one, but instead different. And if it's a player, if they have the in-game tag and they did not have the escape tag, which we're gonna put, and we're gonna say, and then they were gonna say this. We're gonna say local escape tag equals instance not new colon bool value. Escape tag dot name equals escape, and then we'll say escape tag dot parent will be the player. So if they don't have the escape, they'll instantly put it escape. I should say player dot character player colon load character. I think we should say this, I guess. And if they escape, then it will remove. I think we should I think the player should remove player dot in-game tag dot colon destroy. We're gonna destroy the tag because they already won. But if they have the tag, then you want a table dot insert winners colon B. I think that's what you say. If results is checked, then we're gonna say this. So I do not know how to make like you know, list of winners and stuff, but we're going to say this. If it's time's up, we still need to fix. We still need to add it. We still need to add for the winner check. That's why we need it. And if they have the, all right. So for the cleanup, all right. If the if they have the escape, then you'll destroy it. Okay, so one bug I know is it says this. Say if winners has 0 winners, if they have 0 winners, then we're going to say status dot value equals no winner, no one survived. Then we're going to do the same thing for the times up. Delay. Okay, we're going to do this as a 2, 1, let's go. Alright, and the winner is Anobot 309. As you can see.